Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Hello researchers. Today I'm about to blow your mind with an absolutely free way to convert any PDF into a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT. This is a game changer that most people have no idea about, and it takes literally seconds to do. So, let's start. Let's suppose we have an academic paper about the role of AI in academic research. As you can see, it's quite a lengthy academic paper that begins with an abstract, followed by an introduction. The research methods section discusses a descriptive qualitative approach in the results and discussion sections. It covers the benefits and challenges of AI in academic research, ending with a conclusion. This is a comprehensive academic paper. Our goal is to convert this academic paper into a stunning presentation, completely free. Let's start by opening ChatGPT. I'm using the free version, which is accessible to everyone. First, we'll upload our academic paper to ChatGPT. And then input our prompt here. We're asking ChatGPT to analyze the provided article and help us generate a PowerPoint presentation, including slides for introduction section, followed by research methods discussed in the article. Further, we have asked to include results, benefits and challenges of AI in research. Besides, we have requested ChatGPT to include the conclusion from the academic paper. Finally, we've also asked ChatGPT to extract exact text and knowledge from the uploaded paper. Once you input your prompt, ChatGPT will automatically process it. Here are the results. ChatGPT has extracted the key information and prepared our slides. The first slide is an introduction to the paper, followed by the main introduction content, research methodology, and more. In total, we have 7 different slides that discuss the academic paper in detail. You can add more slides if needed. Now, to download this as a PowerPoint presentation, input another prompt, asking ChatGPT to export this as a PPT file. Once processed, ChatGPT will provide a download link. Click the link, and it will automatically download the PowerPoint presentation generated from our academic paper content. This is a basic PowerPoint presentation. To make it more visually appealing, we'll use PowerPoint's built-in design features. Open the downloaded presentation, select a slide, and click Designer. At the top, PowerPoint will analyze your content and suggest different designs. Browse through the options and choose one that suits your needs. For example, on this introduction slide, the text is exceeding the space. Don't worry about that. Just click Designer, scroll through the options, and select a design you like. It will be implemented directly in your presentation. Let's continue with the research method slide. Follow the same procedure. Click Designer, choose a design that fits your content, and select it. We'll convert all our slides using different designs this way. Here's the final version in full screen mode. You can see the presentation covers the role of artificial intelligence in research, followed by the introduction, research method, and subsequent content. All the information has been extracted from the article we initially shared. Using this method, you can convert any PDF or academic paper into a professional PowerPoint presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.